Yo, what is up? It's your boy Gotchajames. So this is a video of my cat reacting to, I guess, the birds and the squirrel video. Um, and it actually amazes me how much they can actually pay attention and retain the attention to just watch and watch and watch and watch and maybe like look around for a little bit, but then next thing you know, they're looking at the video again and just watching the birds like leaving and coming, leaving and coming. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So this last video that I have here is how to open a task manager on a Mac. So if you guys ever do have anything wrong that you can't close an apps, make sure to check that video out. And that link to the video is about to pop up in a few seconds. Hope you guys check it out, and it's about to pop up right about now. I hope you guys did enjoy that video, and I hope you guys were just as amazed as I was about how a cat or an animal can retain that retention to a video. Leave a comment of what you think about an animal retaining attention, or actually like being able to watch a video and just watch it how we watch videos that interest us, but yet they're watching a video how they're interested in. So hope you guys have a great day, and bye bye.